So Best Assistant Engineer Transmission. Nomination number 1. Engineer Dhanya R. Assistant Engineer, 220 kV Substation, Kalamacheri. We will look at the major achievements of Engineer Dhanya R at 220 kV Substation, Kalamacheri. She has successfully completed the commissioning of 11 numbers of 100 kV digital base at 220 kV Substation, Kalamacheri. She prepared the punch list after thoroughly evaluated the system, constantly communicated with the manufacturer, Messrs. GE, and made the system trouble-free. She successfully replaced the faulty merger unit with remote support of the manufacturer, as the service engineer of the manufacturer was unable to fly from Chennai due to COVID protocol. Due to her continuous effort, digital substation base at 220 kV Substation, Kalamacheri became the biggest trouble-free digital system with 6185092 LE protocol in South India. It was a drastic transformation from traditional hardwired system to a completely digitally controlled system, incorporating the latest technologies into substation automation system. So Best Assistant Engineer Transmission. Nomination number 2. Engineer Gogul Govind, AE, TC Subdivision, Madakathara. He was in charge of the line construction 400 bar 220 kV multi-circuit multi-voltage line Madakathara, Malaparamba, Arikot single circuit feeder. CEA has appreciated the KCVL for timely completion and fund utilization of the work. His effort in planning, coordination and execution for the successful completion of the work is commendable. So Best Assistant Engineer Transmission. Nomination number 3. Ahmed Kabir, Assistant Engineer, Electrical Section, Kolattur, Perindalmanna. While he was working as Assistant Engineer, TC Section, Veli. Let us look at his profile. Number 1. He has constructed 8.5 km of 66 kV to 110 kV DC line upgradation work from Veli Tales Pattipara line as part of the upgradation of Veli 66 kV substation to 110 kV substation, including construction of 12 numbers of new 110 kV towers and energized the whole system. He has also completed laying of 1 km of 66 kV UG cable for giving EHT supply to Travancore titanium product from Veli substation in connection with the upgradation of Veli 66 kV substation to 100 kV substation and energized the line. He has also completed 9 km 100 kV UG cable from Veli substation to proposed Muttathara 100 kV substation and energized the line. He has also constructed and commissioned 100 kV substation Muttathara with 2 into 12.5 MVA transformers. Now we will go to the nominations of the generation sector. Number 1 nomination is from Dr. Krishna Kumar M, who was working as Assistant Engineer, Erection Subdivision, Kallargutti. His serving period was from 31/8/2016 to 2/10/2019. He was in charge of Vellathuval SHEP during his initial phase of operation and during the project termination. He was also involved in renovation of Chengulam Pump House and Pallivasal Extension Scheme works. We will look at the number 2 nomination. His name is Amal Ashok. He is Assistant Engineer, presently working as Exciter and Control Subdivision, Moolamata. Details of major works done by him in 2020-21 is: recovery of Unit 2 and Unit 6 machines after accident, repairing of Unit number 6 control panel, initiating procurement of excitation transformers, shifting the synchronization of second stage machines to new synchronization panel, retrofitting of second stage machines with new numerical relays, procurement of online insulation monitoring systems, procurement of digital battery discharge system and online battery monitoring system, procurement of rectiformer, power quality and motor analyzers, renovation of DC system, and initiating purchase of new digital recorder for testing excitation system. Nomination number 3 is from Engineer Sajid TK, Assistant Engineer, Idiki Powerhouse, Moolamata. He has carried out shaft alignment and centering work of Unit 3 machine to reduce the excess vibration after rotor pole refurbishment work at Moolamata Powerhouse. He has done engineering design of bridge type insulation packing with good quality and minimum cost. He has also carried out restoration of Unit 4 machine after its abnormal temperature of thrust bearing on 26/10/2020. His works include carrying out of restoration of Unit 6 machines within a month in the pandemic situation after its LAVT panel flash on 1/2/2020. 11 kV LAVT panel design was modified and new flash protection safety doors with explosion vent was installed, rearranged the surge capacitor in different cabins with LA, provided double earthing and flash detector facility. EOT cranes are very crucial in Idiki hydroelectric project because of loads of renovation and replacement works of heavy loads are done with the help of EOT cranes. This sums up his achievement. Nomination from Mr. Haridas Vijayan is the number 4th nomination of Generation Sector. Sri Haridas Vijayan working as AE Erection Subdivision Kallarvuti for the past 1 year. Before joining Erection Subdivision, he was working as AE in Electrical Maintenance Subdivision, Moolamata, and before that in Water Conductor Subdivision, Moolamata. During the 1 year, he has taken best efforts for the fast track completion of erection and maintenance works of new SHP Pallivasal. He was also doing the tendering process for PACE 2x30 MW HEP. Apart from this, his services were utilized in the technical committee formed for Tottiyar HEP, ongoing unique works of Pallivasal HEP and Mattupatti SHEP. Mr. Haridas Vijayan shows greater commitment and dedication to each and every duty being entrusted to him by KSEBL. He has got sound knowledge and is very keen to update his knowledge base with new trends in electrical power sector. He is a thorough professional and has got strong leadership skills also. Haridas Vijayan is the final nomination for the Generation AE Award this year. Now we will see the nominations for distribution sector. It is the largest sector in KSEB. The first nomination comes from Kunyuni PS, Assistant Engineer, Electrical Section, Moovattupuzha. Major highlights of his works are: he has helped Electrical Section Moovattupuzha number 1 section, which had a lot of cross-country 11 kV lines, to become a 11 kV cross-country free section in 2021. He has successfully designed, executed and implemented the Moovattupuzha ring main project with 19 numbers of ring main units and 16 km UG cable, which is the first ring main project funded by KSEBL anywhere in the state under Dudhi scheme. He has secured second position according to the highest amount of executed works statewide in the Jyoti scheme. He has helped in achieving section with 100% transformer AB switches and provided line AB for all branch 11 kV lines. He has successfully carried out a major section bifurcation by which the section could be administered comfortably in the future. He has led the team during severe natural calamities in 2018 and 2019, and he has successfully completed and timely evacuated 5 numbers of 11 kV feeders from newly formed 100 kV Maradi substation. The second nomination in distribution sector is a lady from Alappuzha. Her name is Sridevi S. She is working as assistant engineer in electrical section Alappuzha South since 2019. It is one of the most important sections in Alappuzha, which has more than 23,000 live consumers and 9 numbers of 11 kV feeders with total HT line length of 53.1 km and LT line length of 230 km. It has consumers such as WNC Hospital, COVID Hospital, ESI Hospital, Alappuzha Railway Station and other major consumers. Section has been faulty free and it has the least massa balance in Alappuzha circle. Power evacuation of 2 11 kV feeder could be made in 2020, which was scheduled to be completed in 21. Another important work which was done was consumer indexing, and every consumer was indexed. Result is that disconnection, meter reading, check reading, FFK distribution and compliant redressal have been made easier. One of the 11 kV Valiyakulam feeder, which is an underground feeder, was rerouted with ABC for PWD powerhouse bridge widening work. Another work was erection of 250 kVA transformer for WNC COVID Hospital, which was done on war footing. It was highly appreciated by all top officers. A special felicitation was obtained as a certificate from Deputy Chief Engineer for the Taute Natural Calamity Supply Restoration work in May 2021. Number of collection and amount of collection in this office were second in the position in KSEB after reopening on account of COVID pandemic in May 2020. In war footing was Alappuzha bypass related works. Apart from these nominations, one nomination for special mention is received for consideration. His name is Engineer Vivek V.S., who is an assistant engineer at IT unit, Kozhikode. His major achievement is development of Impress module for the use of all assistant engineers, assistant executive engineers and others in all ARUs. This development of Impress module has made life easy for all assistant engineers and all others who are using Impress. He has got appreciation from several top engineers for developing this module. He has made life very much easy for all, and his effort for developing the Impress module almost single-handedly worth special mention.